Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and what mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answer, A is 2, B is 4, C is 8 and D is 11. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, mod mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, or you can say parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. Now, step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or order of expression. So now we have 4 raised to power 2. We have to solve this part in this expression. So now it becomes 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16, minus 4 multiplied by 2 and divided by 8, we will write as it is, and minus 4 again we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power 2. It becomes, now move forward, step number 3, we have to solve division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what it here we have to go left to right, and the rule is same for both. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 16 minus 4 multiplied by 2. So first of all, we have to solve this one, which is equals to 8 divided by 8, we will write as it is, and minus 4, again we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now move forward, again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 divided by 8. So we will divide this term 16 minus 1 minus 4. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. Now move forward, we have to solve the addition and subtraction. Because we have solved all the multiplication and division, so now we have addition and subtraction. So again we have to follow same rule. We will go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15 minus 4. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 16 minus 1 equals to 15. Now move forward, step number, we have here 2 terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 11. So the answer of the given expression is 11. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye.